Want to turn your workplace into a magical winter escape this season? Looking for creative winter Wonderland office decorating ideas that feel festive yet professional? Searching for elegant winter Wonderland office theme ideas that work for cubicles, desks, and shared spaces? Or maybe you need winter Wonderland decoration ideas for work that are easy, budget-friendly, and team-approved. Then stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 beautiful winter Wonderland office decorating ideas to transform your workspace into a festive, inspiring winter scene. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, where we share stylish and creative decor inspiration for every space. In today's video, we're diving into Winter Wonderland Office Decorating Ideas and Winter Wonderland Office Decorations Ideas that are perfect for offices, cubicles, and workplace celebrations. What defines a Winter Wonderland office theme? A Winter Wonderland office theme focuses on whites, silvers, soft blues, lights, and snow-inspired decor. These Winter Wonderland office theme ideas feel calm, elegant, and seasonal. Why is Winter Wonderland a popular office decorating theme? It's neutral, inclusive, and works beyond Christmas. These Winter Wonderland office decorating ideas feel festive without being overwhelming or holiday-specific. If you love creative office decor, hit like and share this video with your coworkers. What are easy Winter Wonderland office decorations ideas to start with? Snowflakes, fairy lights, white garlands, and metallic accents are simple additions. These Winter Wonderland office decorations ideas instantly transform shared spaces. What DIY Winter Wonderland office decorations ideas work best? Paper snowflakes, frosted jars, snow-themed signs, and mini trees are great. These DIY Winter Wonderland office decorations ideas are budget-friendly and fun to make as a team. Does your office decorate as a team or individually? Tell me in the comments. How can cubicles be decorated in a Winter Wonderland style? Use string lights, snowflake cutouts, mini trees, and white accessories. These Winter Wonderland cubicle decorations ideas keep things festive without clutter. What are creative Winter Wonderland cubicle ideas? Add faux snow mats, icy blue desk accessories, and themed name signs. These Winter Wonderland cubicle ideas add personality while staying professional. For more office and seasonal decorating ideas, check the playlist linked in the description. What elegant Winter Wonderland office decorations ideas work in corporate spaces? Stick to neutral palettes, subtle sparkle, glass decor, and soft lighting. These elegant Winter Wonderland office decorations ideas look polished and professional. How do I decorate common office areas with a Winter Wonderland theme? Focus on entryways, break rooms, and reception desks. These Winter Wonderland ideas for office ideas make shared spaces feel welcoming. Love seasonal decorating ideas? Subscribe for workplace and home decor inspiration. What Winter Wonderland decoration ideas for work are budget-friendly? DIY decor, reusable items, and simple lighting keep costs low. These Winter Wonderland decoration ideas for work prove style doesn't need a big budget. What office Winter Wonderland ideas work for small workspaces? Vertical decor, desk accessories, and window decorations are perfect. These office Winter Wonderland ideas maximize impact without taking up space. For more office decorating and theme ideas, check the related videos below. How do I keep Winter Wonderland office decor professional? Avoid clutter, stick to neutral colors, and keep decor minimal. These Winter Wonderland office decorating ideas balance fun with professionalism. What Winter Wonderland office party ideas match the theme? Snow-themed treats, white decor, soft music, and photo corners work beautifully. These Winter Wonderland office party ideas feel festive and elegant. How can teams collaborate on Winter Wonderland office decorations? Assign zones, DIY together, or host a decorating day. These Winter Wonderland office decorations ideas build teamwork and holiday spirit. How long can Winter Wonderland office decor stay up? Because it's not holiday specific, it works through January and February. These Winter Wonderland office theme ideas have long-lasting appeal. What's the easiest way to transform an office into a winter wonderland? Use lights, snowflakes, and a consistent color palette. Even simple winter wonderland office decorating ideas create a magical atmosphere. And that's it. 15 Winter Wonderland Office Decorating Ideas to help you transform your workplace into a calm, festive, and inspiring environment. From cubicle decor and DIY projects to elegant office themes and party ideas, Winter Wonderland Decor brings beauty and positivity to the workday. Whether you're decorating a single desk or an entire office, these ideas create a professional yet magical winter atmosphere everyone can enjoy. Does your office decorate for winter? What theme do you love most? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more office decorating and seasonal inspiration. Stay festive and productive.